I come from a town in the valley. The name I have forgotten. Names are only symbols. Symbols are meaningless to someone such as myself, someone who does not communicate with others. I am not possessed of the desire to communicate, to transmit my knowledge to other beings, or to receive knowledge from others. There is nothing outside of myself that interests me now. I have been working upon a project which involves various experimental things. Very few people can understand this. My desire is only to enable a supreme mode of communication wherein my thoughts and the thoughts of all others are synchronized perfectly into one unified mind. I wish I could remember the name of the town where I was born. It is a town in a valley very deep and dark. I know nothing now. I communicate nothing now, but I desire to see and to be seen, but not as an individual, but as part of the greater human consciousness which already exists. We are just not, how do you say it? We are not tapped into it. We are not part of it yet. Well, we are part of it, we are just not. We are not aware fully of our transactions with it. It is necessary, perhaps, for us to dig a little deeper within ourselves. This is the nature of my project. I perform experiments upon various individuals whom I have captured. In a sense, I am communicating with them as well, seeing as I use the instruments of my mind, the instruments of steel which I have constructed, and I probe into their souls. In doing so, I am transmitting the information of pain into their bodies, the information of my being itself. Regardless, my experiments have been for the most part a failure. The methods of my experimentation are irrelevant, though, because I believe the results are inevitable. There will be a supreme reckoning. I am very bad at communication.